Hello. I just wanted to show everyone a really useful feature in Barbour ABI. So this is the Saved Search feature. This is really handy for people using Project Prospector as it allows us to target the right search criteria for them without missing anyone off or getting any mix-ups in communication. It's also really important for anyone who's using Barbour ABI and isn't with Project Prospector, because this Saved Search feature allows you to come back to a search every time that you've got good interest in, and you want to monitor it, you want to see what's going on in that area. So I thought it'd be really useful to show people how to do it. So first of all, we create our search by going up to filter. We then pick some criteria that we might be interested in. So in this case, I'm going to select projects over 500K. I'm going to select projects that haven't started yet. And then I'm only going to target architects for this search. And then we want only new builds, and let's pick another one. We'll go for leisure. Okay, so you can see here 125 projects have been found on this search criteria. So this is a low number, so you might be able to monitor that a lot easier than something that's 17,000 or 20,000. And also, it's easy to keep a track of it. So, not many are going to be, hundreds aren't going to be added week on week. You can keep track of it and keep in touch with these people. So once we've selected our criteria, we then want to exit out of the filter. This then asks us, do you want to save your filter? We say yes. Now, this doesn't actually create save search. This just saves the filter to your current search, the current one that you're on. So to actually save it to your account, you want to click on this button up here on the right, Save Search. So then we just name it Test in this case. We click Save, and now that search that we've selected, that we've said is good for our business, is saved in the Save Search function. So to access it, we click this button on the top left here, Saved Search. Now that's saved this here now. So anytime you want to access that search with those same criteria every time, you can visit it through there. But that's all well and good, but it's really important to know what to do with that data once you've got it. So you can actually export a particular search by going on Export Data, New Export, call it a name, so we call it a test. Select the type, we want to click Save Search so we can use our one we've just created. We find it in this drop down, which is here, Test. We click Next. Now these are just asking you for exclusions for certain things, but we want everyone to be in there. As you can see, it's got our 125 that we found earlier, so we just go Next. We want to keep everyone in here, so we then click Export, and then that will now export that saved search. So once you've exported it, it will save it into a spreadsheet where you can access all the results for that saved search, where you'll be able to get in touch with them and find out what's going on in their project and see if your solution, your company, your service, your product will be a good fit for that. So I hope that's been helpful for everyone. Thanks for watching, and hope you all have a good weekend. See ya.